this is kind of like my go-to work makeup, and if you want to see how I achieve this, go ahead and watch this video. And also guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. And my name is Veronica Black for those who don't know me, and for those who know me, guys, welcome back. And yeah, most important thing, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell button down below to be the first person to be notified when I upload something new. So without further ado, this is a get ready with me makeup tutorial for my work, daily makeup tutorial for work, something like that. Anyways, it's a simple makeup, it's not over exaggerated, but let's jump into it. I just came from the gym and I feel so great. And yeah, if you see me looking here, that's because I'm doing my makeup. And now I got a new pad, but I don't know where I put it, so I'm just gonna use an old something that I used before. So first of all, my face primer is finished, so I'm just gonna jump on. I just have a moisturizer on my face. My eye gel is gone. I found it. So with this eye gel, I don't need a pencil. I just go ahead and brush out my eyebrows. By the way, I have only 15 minutes to get out of here, so y'all bear with me. So I'll clean my eyebrows using Brow to Glow NYX Professional Eyebrow Concealer, and just go ahead and press it out. It's not gonna look orange when I'm done, so it's fine looking like this. See my eyebrows? I went to the woman that waxes my jaw area and my upper part. So instead, she forgot that I only wax my lips, my upper lips and my jaw area. She went ahead and waxed she started. I would have stopped her, but I was like, you know what? Maybe she knows what she's doing. Let me try it out. And then she ended up messing up my shape. So I'm actually disappointed, but I will let it grow out. But you see, that shape is a little bit weird. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, my eyebrows a little bit weird. So since I'll have leftovers here, I will just go ahead. Oh my god, that wasn't supposed to happen. I'll just go ahead and apply it over here, over here, over here, over here. I know we look weird, but don't mind. Oh my god, the makeup went onto my lens, so I don't see. Oh my god, that's not good. I'm using a Bobbi Brown foundation. The concealer that I'm using is a Fenty Beauty concealer. I love the Fenty Beauty foundation. Like, it's Fenty Beauty that opened up for me to start doing my makeup. It was hard to find the kind of foundation that matched my skin tone until the Fenty Beauty actually came out. And now I'm actually surprised that I'm using Bobbi Brown. One thing that I always forgot when I started doing makeup is doing this part. So now I'm more conscious about fixing the hole. As you can see, I don't need any extra pencil on my eyebrows. Sometimes I do use pencil to fill out my eyebrows a little bit more, but we're not going for a fancy occasion, so I just stick to just having my eyebrows as they are. And for my eyebrows, I'm using this palette. I've had this palette for long. As you can see, it's very dirty, but I'm not so much of doing shadows like I used to do back in the days, so I just stick to one thing, and I use this neutral color right here. I'm supposed to be baking while I'm doing this. Actually, that was before even I was doing my, like, I'm literally getting prepared for work, so I don't want to get any makeup. I don't want to get any makeup on my clothes. And as you can see, I'm keeping everything more neutral, more to my skin tone. I'm not doing any extras. I'm going for a neutral, like this powder for my skin tone. I don't know, that wouldn't make sense. The powder I'm gonna use is Inglot. I've used this powder for a very, very long time. Probably that's because I don't wear a lot of makeup. I wanted to use the Fenty one, but then I remembered that I'm gonna use it as a finishing powder.
It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending.
What did I film this video?
You can give anything, so you can go.
This is how I start off my eyeliner. This is how I start off my eyeliner. I start off with the corners, kind of makes it easier. I let it dry so that I don't mess it up. And then I'll go over to the other side.
So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for
Yo, I'm a queen doing this eyeliner, like literally. Guys, I'm so sorry, but yeah, anyways, this is the Fenty powder. Oh, this one? I know it's dirty.
I can't keep pretending. It's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh, no.
And then for my lip, I got this one from Cakes. I don't know what they call it because the text has faded out, but I got it from Cakes, and basically I just go ahead and apply this on my lips the whole day. And my setting spray is Finito. I don't think it's anything left. It's literally finished. Nothing. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Last but not least, I always go for my mascara last because when I apply the powder, I feel like it falls onto the lashes and then that color disappears. And I have naturally long lashes, which I thank God for. So go ahead and
So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself, baby.
So guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you liked my kind of makeup, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.